Okay, boys and girls, let's get ready to start Homelink 6.10. All right, and today we learned how to solve problems using the order of operations, okay? And we looked at a list of rules on what you're supposed to do. So here's our rules of operations, okay? And number one, you do the operation inside the parentheses first. Follow rules 2 and 3 when computing inside the parentheses. Then number 2, we multiply or divide in that order from left to right. So multiplication would be first, and then division, and then finally we add or subtract in that order from left to right, which means from addition would come before subtraction. So let's look at this problem. 8 divided by 7 minus 3. Okay, my first rule is I do what's in parentheses first. Doesn't matter what's in there. Just so it's in parentheses, I do it first. So that now becomes 8 divided by 4. Okay, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Once again, boys and girls, I recommend that you go back and rewrite the new problem. Number 2, 2 times 10 plus 6. So I want to go back up to my rules and look. I don't have any parentheses. Rule 2 says multiplication or division. So I have multiplication here. 2 times 10 is 20, and then 20 plus 6 would give me 26. Number 3, 10 plus 6 times 2. My first rule is to do parentheses first, so I'm going to do 6 times 2, which is 12. And then I'm going to add that to my 10, which gives me 22. Number 4, there's no parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to go to rule 2, which means I multiply. First, 3 times 2 is 6, and 15 minus 6 equals 9. All right, and then the last one is tell someone at home why it is important to have rules for order of operation. And when we think about that, if we didn't have rules for the order of operation, we would get different answers for the same problem, okay? Because I can look at this and say 15 minus 3 equals 12, and then 12 times 2 would equal 24. So now I have a completely different answer than what I had here. So order of operation is important. All right, boys and girls, that concludes Homelink 6.10.